Hi, this is Mike Callahan, Dr. FileFinder, and welcome to your Butterscotch.com tutorial on how you can pin Control Panel to the taskbar in Windows 7. Now, the ability to pin things to the taskbar was one of the many cool features added in Windows 7. Since you use so many things in Control Panel, it's often handy to have it close by. So we'll click on Start, go to Control Panel, and open it up. Now you notice once it's open, its icon is here in the control panel. Now we can right-click, click Pin this program to the taskbar, so that now even if we close Control Panel, here's our Control Panel icon. And just like other items that are pinned to the taskbar, it will have its own jump list. So it'll jump to System Icons, Home Group, Network, and Sharing, other things that I've had open recently in Control Panel. So this is a quick and easy way for you to pin the Control Panel to your taskbar in Windows 7, and that's all there is to it. Hey, this is Doc. If you're looking for a cheap and easy way to put your own content on the web, go get domain names from hover.com. Just visit hover.com/butterscotch and you'll get 10% off and support shows like these. Thanks.